Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to start writing the code to extract the zip file. Now, let's start. To speed up my tutorial, I added this extract button over here. And previously, I talked about how to create the zip file. And after that, I talked about how to create a sample backup form and how to add the files into the backup file by the extension of zip. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about how to extract my zip files. To do that, first of all, let's come to my create button, and after that, let's copy all of these codes. If you don't know what I'm doing, you should refer to my previous tutorial. And this is my form one. Click on the extract, and great. I need the try structure, and after that, the using structure, and after that, setting the password and the default properties up to here. But I don't want this part of the code. And let's comment this one. I need this part of code later. So first of all, for extracting my file, I should write using and define the object of my zip file, and after that set the password and encoding. And after that, it's time to extract my file and write z after that dot. And let's extract this one, and you can see over here extract all. So click on it, and after that add parentheses. Now you can see two great overloads. The first one is a simple one, and just you should write the destination folder, and the next one is destination folder with another option for overwriting the file. Let's talk about it in my upcoming tutorial. So this is the simple one, and I need only set my folder to extract inside it. Let's do it. Come over here, click on it, and great. And come to my test folder, and this is my test folder. Let's create the new folder and name it, for instance, output. Excellent. This is my output. Click on it and copy its path and paste it over here. And after that, everything is done, and semicolon and add some backslashes and double it. Excellent. Now this is the code for extracting my file, but I can see my zip file name, and if I extract my file, so I should assign the zip file to my zip object. So this is my zip object, and after that, if I come over here, when I want to define the new instance of my object over here, exactly add parentheses, and you can see over here 6 different overloads. And let's click on it. So this is the encoding. I don't need this overload because we're gonna set the encoding over here. And after that, let's select the next one, and this is the file name. I can easily add my zip file name over here. Let's do it like this one. And after that, for better understanding of my code, I can easily define a variable and say a string, and after that, file name or fn. Now let's set the value to it and say fn equals this one. Currently, my zip file is over here inside my test folder. So this is my previous zip file, and if I don't want to use it, I can create a new zip file. Let's start, and let's see the result. This is my previous startup form, so let's change it to that. Come over here. This is my form one. Click on it and scroll up. So you can see the namespace zip pro, and after that my form, and come to program and click on it. So this is my zip pro, and after that, this is my form name, and let's select form one and add the parentheses again. So if I start my application, and this is my zip file, click on it. Now you can see the zip file is created over here, the test zip. This is my test zip, and if I click on it, I can see some files and folders inside it that we talked about it previously. So I want to extract this one, and come over here, copy, and come to my form one, stop my application, and come to designer, click over here and paste it inside this one. After that, this and my zip file name. So this is my zip file name. Let's select, excellent, and after that, paste it over here. Now I can use my fn over here, and in fact, this is my source zip file. So everything looks great, and I wanted to unzip this file to this folder. Now let's see the result. So this is extract, and if I come to test, I can see in the output folder my audio, docs, and pics. And after that, if I come over here and open my test zip, I can see all of my folders inside it at the root of my zip file. Okay, excellent, we did it. It looks great, and let's test it with my backup file. And this is my backup file that we created it previously. So let's copy this one, and after that paste it over here. Let's stop and paste it over here. Now let's start and let's see the result. So come over here, and this is my output folder, delete, and after that click over here, excellent, and extract. Now you can see my data is created over here, and I can see my audio, image, and my database, and my sample database extracted inside it. And if I come over here, I can see exactly this one, and the root folder of my zip file is data, exactly like the extracted one, this one. And after that my audio, and you can see it over here. Okay, excellent, we did it, everything is done, and I'm really happy that I could create something like this. But if I click on the button again over here, you can see this message already exists. So let's talk about how to solve this message box in my upcoming tutorial. Stay with me.